How to make $480,000 a year in the mortgage industry without buying a single lead or cold calling or chasing. Welcome to video number 2 in our systems you need inside your mortgage CRM in order to get the best results series, also known as the longest titled series ever. My name is Chris Johnstone. 40 times 4 equals 160. It's the magic of math in the mortgage industry when it comes to referral partner marketing. Now, when you're reaching out to referral partners, if you can get 40 qualified referral partners to send you just 4 deals a year, that's a third of the year they send you business, right? That's 160 deals a year. If you're making $3,000 per deal, that's $480,000 a year with referred, going to buy high quality leads that come to you endorsed by a referral agent, a real estate agent. Now, how do you get the qualified agent list? Well, we're including it for free inside your Loan Officer CRM.ai subscription. We've partnered with Retter, R-E-T-R, and we're including 300 qualified agents a month inside your system, plus you get access to look at all of the data inside the system. That is a $199 a month product. And if you buy before the end of the month, we're giving you full access to that system inside your CRM for free. There's no additional charge for it. After the first of the month, there will be an additional charge for it. But if you get in before the end of the month, you get access to it for free. But we didn't just stop there. We also wrote an entire year-long marketing campaign of 1 email a week, partnered with our Power Dialer, which you get for free when you invest before the end of the month. And so what you do is you go into your local marketplace, take the production data from the last 12 months and say, I only want agents that have closed 8 buy-side transactions in the last 12 months. It gives you the list, you select all the contacts, you click Add to CRM, and then you load them into our year-long proven campaign. That campaign gives 6 different valuable offers to those agents for the first 6 months, and then it repeats for the next 6 months. We're getting contact rates of over 50% of the agents that are getting these messages and phone calls responding back to the messages and getting into conversations. Now, you don't have time to handle those conversations in real time because the number one key to conversion is speed to lead. The faster you convert on those conversations, the more of those high quality referral relationships are going to book appointments, show up on those appointments, and end up sending you customers because you've proven that you will follow up on their leads and customers in real time. But if you're busy running your business and you don't have time to get back to them, how do you solve that problem? Well, we have solved that problem for you inside the Loan Officer CRM by including artificial intelligence, and we've pre-trained the AI on how to have a conversation with a qualified real estate agent to give good service and get them to book an appointment in your calendar. That AI also included for free when you buy before the end of the month. So if you want to be successful with high quality realtor referral partners, all we have to do is understand it's math. The more qualified agents that you reach out to, the more responses you will get. The more responses you get, the more appointments you will book. The more appointments you book, the more people will show up and the more conversations you will have. And the more conversations that you have, the more appointments and actual referral relationships that you get, right? You only need 40 qualified agents sending you 4 deals a year to do 160 deals a year. And if your average commission is $3,000, that's $480,000 a year in commissions. This is not an income claim, but that's the math, right? So right now, head on over to loanofficercrm.ai and invest today before the end of the month, before the price goes up for the bonuses that we're adding, which is the Power Dialer, the Retter qualified agent data, our video marketing tool, our automatic scheduling tool, and our social media features, which we're going to talk to you about in future videos. But right now, head on over to loanofficercrm.ai, invest the $297, there's no setup fee, there's no contract, and you are fully protected by our 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied in the first 30 days, no problem. We will happily refund 100% of your money, and you get to keep the bonuses that we give you when you get in on the system. We also pair you with a one-on-one success coach that's going to guide you through your onboarding process, help you get your phone number set up, help you get your system set up, answer all of your questions on the other side, and guide you through a successful launch so that you actually launch your database marketing. You actually launch the marketing to your qualified real estate agents. And then if at any time you have any questions, we've got 4 one-hour-long daily support calls for you, in addition to you being paired with a one-on-one success coach. This is an absolutely outrageous offer, and I cannot wait to see you on the inside. So head on over to loanofficercrm.ai, invest today, and I'll see you in video number 3.